Are you a movie enthusiast who loves sharing your favorite film moments with the world? Imagine getting paid for doing just that. Welcome, fellow film fanatics, to my video that unveils the secrets to earning money while uploading movie clips. Yes, you heard it right. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of YouTube, where your passion for movies can translate into a lucrative source of income. So, grab your popcorn and get ready, because in this video, we're about to reveal the ultimate strategy that will help you maximize your earnings and turn your love for movie clips into a rewarding online venture. Before we start, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more great content like this. In this video, we'll dive deep into the realm of YouTube movie clip channels that have not only found tremendous success, but are also making a substantial income. Picture this, channels earning up to a whopping $119,000 per month. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today, I'm going to reveal real-world examples of these channels that have mastered the art of posting movie clips while raking in substantial earnings. But here's the exciting part, you don't need to show your face or use your voice to achieve these incredible results. I'll guide you through the entire process, sharing valuable insights on where to find video clips, acquiring suitable audio, carrying out seamless voiceovers, and piecing it all together. Together, we'll ensure that you can confidently upload movie clips to YouTube, while navigating copyright laws and generating revenue. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, I highly recommend exploring popular YouTube channels within this niche. Take a look at Movie Recaps, who has amassed 2.06 million subscribers, and Mystery Recapped, who have a whopping 3.5 million subscribers. These channels have already carved their names as leaders in this space, amassing a massive following and enjoying lucrative monetization opportunities. Take inspiration from their success, study their content, and understand what sets them apart. Now that we're ready to dive into the world of movie reviews, the first step is to determine which movies you should review. Today, I'll guide you through two effective methods to find inspiration for your movie reviews. One of the best ways to get ideas for movie reviews is by observing successful channels in the niche. Let's take a look at a prime example, Mystery Recapped. By visiting their channel, you can gain valuable insights into the types of videos they have reviewed. Take your time to explore their channel and look at their latest reviewed movies. It's a fantastic way to understand the trends and preferences of the audience. Additionally, you can check out the popular section to discover their most viewed movies, which can give you an idea of what captures viewers' attention. Another excellent resource for finding movies to review is a website called Box Office Mojo. This site provides valuable information about the most recent weekend releases, allowing you to stay up to date with the latest movies hitting the theaters. By visiting Box Office Mojo, you can explore the diverse genres and upcoming releases, giving you a wide array of options to choose from for your reviews. Whether it's action-packed blockbusters, heartfelt dramas, or thrilling suspense movies, this site will keep you informed about the hottest releases. Remember, the key to selecting movies for your reviews is to consider what will resonate with your audience. Take into account popular trends, audience interests, and potential for engagement. By incorporating these elements into your movie choices, you can create content that captivates and appeals to a wide range of viewers. Now that you've identified the movies you want to review, the next step is to prepare a script for your YouTube video. Don't worry if you're not confident in your writing skills, as I have some handy tools to assist you along the way. To begin, head over to the Internet Movie Database, better known as IMDb. Once you're on the site, simply type in the name of the movie you want to review. Let's take the example of the movie IP Man. Click on the movie from the search results and scroll down until you find the section labeled Plot Synopsis. The plot synopsis will provide you with a summary of the movie's storyline. However, it's crucial to note that directly copying this content is illegal due to copyright restrictions. Instead, you need to rewrite it in your own words while maintaining the essence of the plot. If you find paraphrasing challenging, fear not. There are several AI-powered tools available to assist you in this process. One excellent option is SpinBot, a free website where you can paste the plot synopsis and let it generate a rephrased version for you. Another great tool worth exploring is QuillBot. Simply click on the link in my video description to access this helpful website, which specializes in paraphrasing text. QuillBot will provide you with alternative phrasing, allowing you to craft a unique script that reflects your own voice and style. By utilizing these websites, you can transform the original plot synopsis into your own words, ensuring that you comply with copyright laws and add your personal touch to the script. With the script in hand, we're now ready for the next step, creating the voiceover. Now that you have your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with a captivating voiceover. If you have a good voice and a quality microphone, you can record the voiceover yourself. However, if you're looking for alternative options, there are some fantastic AI-powered tools and professional voiceover services available. One highly recommended tool is Speechify. With Speechify, not only can you create realistic-sounding voiceovers, but you can even choose from a range of voices, including celebrity-like voices such as Gwyneth Paltrow. They offer a free plan to get you started, and if you require more features, they have affordable paid plans. To explore Speechify and start a free trial, click on the link in my video description below. On the other hand, if you prefer a real human voice for your voiceover, platforms like Fiverr can be a great resource. By simply searching for voiceovers on Fiverr, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of talented voiceover artists offering their services. Fiverr provides you with a wide range of options, allowing you to choose the voice and style that best suits your content and resonates with your audience. You can listen to samples, read reviews, and find the perfect voiceover artist to bring your script to life. Now that we have our script and voiceover ready, let's discuss how to obtain the movie clips for your YouTube video. The process is simpler than you might think. Let's take the example of the movie Ip Man to demonstrate. To begin, go to YouTube and search for Ip Man movie clips or simply Ip Man clips. This search will lead you to individuals who have already uploaded various scenes from the movie. Once you find the desired clip, copy the link from the address bar at the top of the page. With the link in hand, head over to Google and search for a YouTube to MP4 converter. There are several options available, and one popular choice is YT5S.io. Feel free to explore other converters as well. Once you've selected a converter, enter the copied YouTube link into the designated field and initiate the conversion process. The converter will transform the YouTube video into an MP4 file, which you can then download to your computer. After downloading the scene, you'll need to import it into a video editing program on your computer. To ensure compliance with fair use and copyright laws, it's important to remove any background music, additional comments, or other content that may be present in the downloaded clip. If you wish to include background music, you can download suitable tracks from the YouTube audio library. Otherwise, focus on creating your own voiceover to accompany the movie clip. Video editing software provides various options to add and mix your voiceover with the visual content. Now that you have your downloaded movie clips and voiceover ready, it's time to dive into the world of video editing. Let's explore some recommended video editing software options to bring your content to life. One highly recommended video editing software is DaVinci Resolve. It's a powerful tool that offers a range of features and allows you to create professional-looking videos. DaVinci Resolve is great for beginners and offers a wide array of graphics and editing capabilities. It provides more advanced options compared to some other software options, making it a versatile choice for editing your movie clips. If you prefer a more basic video editing software to start with, you can try OpenShot. OpenShot is a user-friendly platform available at openshot.org. While it may have a simpler interface compared to DaVinci Resolve, it still allows you to accomplish all the essential editing tasks. With OpenShot, you can easily add your movie clips, incorporate your voiceover, and even overlay audio or music if desired. As you start using video editing software, don't be afraid to experiment and find the techniques and styles that work best for your content. It's essential to play around with the software and make use of the trial period or free versions to familiarize yourself with the features and capabilities. Remember, the key to success lies in practice and experimentation. Take the time to refine your editing skills, explore the software's features, and create captivating visuals that complement your voiceover and movie clips. That concludes our guide on earning money by uploading movie clips on YouTube. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried uploading movie clips on YouTube before? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy uploading and see you in the next video.